My work projects. Hello everyone, my name is Mehdi Ashrafian. Before beginning, subscribe our channel in YouTube and turn on the notifications. In this case, I want to show you some of my projects. First project is a car. I named this car Mercedes-Benz Toy Plus, and I got the main idea of designing this car from a washing machine. You can see we have a circular door here that I got it from a washing machine, and I got some renders from the different views. I rendered this car with Radiosity render engine, that is the primitive render engine in 3D Studio Max. It is my old project that I worked it several years ago, and we can see several views of this car. Second project is an interior project that I designed a reception desk. I rendered this project with V-Ray several years ago, and old version of V-Ray. We can see it here, here, and here. Third project is a fountain that I designed it for a city. We can see several views that I rendered with the V-Ray render engine from top, side, and perspective. And the last project is an interior design that we designed it for hair salons. We can see several views of this project, and I rendered this project also with V-Ray render engine. If you like it, subscribe our channel in YouTube and follow our page in Instagram. Thanks a lot. See you in the next lesson.